Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is really the same video I just produced yesterday on 10 ways, and there's actually 14 if not more. And to go back to the 10, if you wanted to select these 10 rectangles, you could just click on the top one, hold down your shift key, and click on the bottom one, and it selects everything in between there, and you can hit delete. Now let's group all these together with Control G. So now this is all one group. We can open up this group and you can see all your items. So this is one group, but let's say you want to move this one pentagon out a little bit. Hold down the control button and now you can move just that one pentagon around and resize it, and you have it ungrouped, and then when you let go, it is still in that group. The other way to do it would be to go, so that's 11. 12 is hit this pentagon in your object manager, and it basically ungrouped it for a second, but it's still in this group. Now let's Control U and break everything apart. So now everything's apart. And let's say you want to select this star. You want everything gone but the star. You could lasso everything, so now everything's selected. Hold down the shift key and select that star and then hit delete, and everything but the star got deleted. So that was 13. The other way, kind of a roundabout way, but it is very useful, is go up to edit, find and replace, find object, begin new search, and we want to get all. Let's just click on the star and hit next. Next, finish, find all. And of course, there's only one star, but it selected it. Let's do that again. Edit, find and replace, find object, next. Let's find all the pentagons this time. Next, next, finish, find all, X out of there, and you can delete all the pentagons. That's very useful and helpful, and you can do a lot with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.